So this is the Miband 2 which I have ordered from the AliExpress, and this got a custom clearance as well from the India. I ordered this from the China and they have posted from the Singapore to the India from via AliExpress standard shipping. This is the package which I have received today. Let's do the unboxing. Let's open it. I think we should open from here. The packaging was very excellent, done by the seller. This looks good packaging and very safe, the product inside. Okay, let's open it. He has mentioned some product specifications, what is inside the package. Let's open it. The seller has packed everything so well. This is the band which I have ordered with this package with some extra cost. The quality looks good. This is the seller name. This is seller name. Okay, this is the tempered glass, or you can say the scratch guard for the Miband 2, which I have ordered with the package. And this is our Miband 2. Looks great. Let's have read some specification. This is Miband 2. The color is black, Bluetooth 4.2, IP67 certified, 70 mAh. User guide, what are the inclusions in the Miband sensor, strap, charging cable. User guide. It is compatible with Mi phone and any device with Bluetooth. Let's open it. This band which I have ordered is actually a global version, but here I don't see here anywhere that has mentioned as a global version. It shows as a made in China only. Okay, let's open it. That is so cool. There is foam inside the box, which seems to be used for protection. This is the Mi sensor. This is the Miband, which looks premium. The quality This is the user guide. This is the user guide. This is the charging dock, which is a USB, which has mentioned as MI, and this is the this is the sensor. Let's focus on it. It seems to be not working. I tried. Let's see if we connect to laptop and if it works. I think the charging was very low, showing it as a charging. It's charging.